Yes. Be ready for the dictation. Start. The purpose for which the act was enacted and the menace of drug trafficking which it intends to curtail is evident from its scheme. Stop. A perusal of Section 37 of the Act leaves no doubt in the mind of the court that a person accused of an offence punishable for a term of imprisonment of 5 years or more shall generally be not released on bail. Stop. Negation of bail is the rule and its grant an exception under subclause of Section 37. Stop. For granting the bail, the court must, on the basis of the record produced before it, be satisfied that there are reasonable grounds for believing that the accused is not guilty of the offences with which he is charged, and further that he is not likely to commit any offence while on bail. Stop. It has further to be noticed that the conditions for granting the bail specified in clause section 37 are in addition to the limitations provided under the Code of Criminal Procedure or any other law for the time being in force regulating the grant of bail. Stop. Liberal approach in the matter of bail under the Act is uncalled for. Stanza. As the provision itself provides that no person shall be granted bail unless the two conditions are satisfied. Stop. They are the satisfaction of the court that there are reasonable grounds for believing that the accused is not guilty and that he is not likely to commit any offence while on bail. Stop. Both the conditions have to be satisfied. Stop. If either of these two conditions is not satisfied, the bar operates and the accused cannot be released on bail. Stanza. The court, while considering the application for bail with reference to Section 37 of the Act, is not called upon to record a finding of not guilty. Stop. It is for the limited purpose essentially confined to the question of releasing the accused on bail that the court is called upon to see if there are reasonable grounds for believing that the accused is not guilty and records its satisfaction about the existence of such grounds. Stop. But the court has not to consider the matter as if it is pronouncing a judgment of acquittal and recording a finding of not guilty. Stanza. Persons accused of an offence under sections 19. Persons accused of offences involved in commercial quantity shall not be released on bail unless the public prosecutor is given an opportunity to oppose the application for bail, and more importantly that unless the court is satisfied that there are reasonable grounds for believing that the accused is not guilty of such an offence. Stop. Further, the court is also required to be satisfied that such a person is not likely to commit any offence while on bail. Stanza. The prosecution case seems to be that here the three accused persons named in the charge sheet had collected the contraband substances on suspicion that they were carrying a bedding case. Stop. It is their case that when they made full stop. Over.